Welcome back. So we are back at Gardens by the Bay. So today we're here for Planters Market. So this is one of the organisers. He's running away. Okay, so this event runs from today until Sunday. So today is Friday. Yeah, so today ends at 8 PM. I don't think you'll catch it today, but throughout the weekend it's from 10 AM to 6 PM. So we're gonna find Leon. We met last time and we're gonna just see what they're selling this round. Okay, so we found Leon.
Hello, I'm Leon from Planters Market.
So now we're gonna go down the whole Planters Market alley or street, and then he's gonna show us what's interesting and what you can buy. Okay, so Leon was saying, right, there is a very big event this round. So how many stalls are there?
We have about 40 over stalls,
Okay.
spanning over 160 meters.
160
So this is like the longest plant event we have in Singapore.
So how fast can you go from the start to the finish?
I don't know, I've been walking up and down the whole day. I think I completed my 2.4 kilometers already.
Okay. So you can see, right, we're at the start of it. And it's all the way at the super tree where the restaurant
You can't see the other end.
So it just curves around.
all the way.
So we're gonna walk down.
Yeah, so this is the first booth, alright, Greendot Creations. They're actually a landscape company. And because they do mostly landscape for our Singapore, scaping on the roads and a lot of other places, they have very interesting plants which the other exhibitors don't have. Yeah, so they actually have a lot of trees that most of them don't have in this kind of size also. So a lot of those with gardens, they can come here and grab the trees.
Okay, so you're talking about the trees, right? This tree is taller than me. So how are you going to bring it home? Do they deliver?
Yeah, they deliver. They have lorry, everything.
So do all the stalls deliver?
Not all the stalls.
Okay.
Yeah, this one because they have their own transportation.
Okay.
There are some stalls which are very small time growers, so they don't have transportation.
Okay.
But the plants are of course smaller. You can just take and go lah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so don't worry if you buy the tree, you can get it sent to your house.
Alright, this is Kieran from Pompipi Plants.
Hello.
Yep.
Hello everybody, I'm Kieran from Pompipi Plants. This is Alocasia Mania 2023. For the very first time, we are showcasing a collection of rare variegated alocasias just to showcase and just to get everybody, getting them to know about Alocasia variegata. These are all private collections. Most of them are not for sale because they belong to collectors, but you can see the amazing variegation from the plants. We have really rare ones such as Mellow, Maharani. You also have Sardiniae and the famous Alocasia venom. So come by and support us.
Thank you. Okay, so behind me now is 3 stalls. This is Mundi Flora from Ecuador. And we also have Aeroids Thailand and also Kok Orchids from Thailand. So there's a stretch of overseas vendors with us today.
So interestingly, they're selling clothes also.
So this is our official merchandiser, Construct Lab. They are specialized in silk screening. So they are doing the silk screen process at the venue itself. Yeah, so you can choose the design. There is a Planters Market official design with the logo down here.
Okay.
You can also print tote bags, right? And you also can customize by choosing some leaves that I'm going to show you behind there to stick on the t-shirt. Yeah.
Okay. So you've seen them actually print the thing directly here.
Yeah.
So it's quite interesting an experience. So the next round, right, Leon's going to print his face on the
Can. I'll print my face. You all make sure you all buy the t-shirt.
auction.
Okay, so this is a very special booth. For the first time in Planters Market, we're having a Malaysian exhibitor. So they are from across the causeway, from Johor Bahru, and they specialize in Platycerium. So let's have a look at some of them. This is Lysing Florist, right? They are a nursery in Singapore. And this time they are collaborating with a very famous Thai seller. It's a Chatuchak market plant. And this guy is Narupo, so he's very famous on
live
sale, yeah. Everybody in Singapore knows him, right?
Knows him as the Thai live sale guy.
Correct, yeah. So he's not here today, sadly.
He
was
is
here
going
yesterday.
to be
Doing a live
sale in Thailand.
Yeah. So the booth is going to be very crowded this weekend.
Yes.
Because of the collaboration.
Yeah, and then we've got also the team from Philippines selling skin depths.
Correct.
Planter Tong. Yeah, Planter Tong. And I heard that, that they have a lot that are endemic to Philippines too.
Yeah. So very interesting plants that we don't get in Singapore.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think everyone is coming to find them, honestly.
Hi, we have come on from all the way from Ecuador.
Hi.
Yeah, so in this booth, this is Alvin from Loco.
Hello.
Right? He specializes in Platyceriums. He has some very beautiful ones here today. So what do you have?
So for the planters market, we have actually brought in some of the very mature species of the dwarfs, Platycerium dwarfs, jade girls and bacteria. These are grown by a well-known breeder and grower in Taiwan, Mr. Geng Hwa. So it's probably the first time in Singapore that our collectors get to see this mature size Platycerium dwarfs.
Yeah.
So very happy to bring it to the event and showcase for the first time. And around them would be various species that's collected from Thailand or Taiwan as well. So a lot of different hybrids here.
Are this for sale?
Only one piece is for sale because the rest mostly for show. Yeah, because he feels that there is no mature size for people to compare. Through photos, it's very difficult to compare the size and scale.
Difficult to grow into this size.
Correct. So very happy that he allowed us to bring it here to showcase to
Very
everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is the most important booth because they are the co-organizers of the entire planters market. It's the Gardens by the Bay booth themselves. They are called Plantsman's Fair, alright? So a lot of customers are coming down to this booth because their plants are propagated and grown in the nursery of Gardens by the Bay. Look at how huge this begonia is. Grown in the Gardens by the Bay. It will be an honor to have one.
Okay, so the Gardens by the Bay booth obviously has some quite unique specimens. But I want to ask you one thing, right? So this one, right, is so big, right? Can buy it or not?
This one you cut get fined.
It's at the booth, but see?
Wow, this one.
No, it's
this
actually
one
part of the...
very expensive fine.
Okay, Leon, so thanks for showing us around your Planters Market event for October. Yeah,
Yes.
so when is the next one?
The next one is in March,
Okay.
and July next year, 2024. So this will be the last event of the year.
Okay, so try to come down and catch this before next year because you got to wait quite a while before the next one is
Right.
here.
This is I would say, the most interesting event of the year because it's a very big honor to have it being held at the Gardens by the Bay itself. Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
The place where all the beautiful plants are.
Yeah, but remember, all this not for sale. This one is Gardens by the Bay Plus. And all this also. Okay, so
Okay.
catch you next time. Please
Thank you.
remember to like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye.